Hello guys. Today I want to make this place better. This was a parking place, but since we have there the garage, we don't need this anymore. This year I want to put here a raised beds, 4 small raised beds, so that the place will gonna be productive. So yeah. I think those stones weigh like maybe 60 kilos or something. I think they are heavier than me, but we can do it. Look at this, guys, what I found. This is a celery seedling, so I must plant somewhere else. You have maybe noticed what I had picking there. These roots, guys, are everywhere. These roots are mint root. Once you have mint in your garden, they are so invasive. So if you think you only use mint for tea or something else, don't plant it in the garden. Plant it in a container because they are so invasive. So continue working. It's a heavy work for a little woman like me, but I feel good about it, what I'm doing. But after this, of course, I will be having backaches, and yeah, but it's fun working in the garden. It's a big earthworm. This is a different earthworm. It has a semi-flat tail or back. So guys, it looks like that. I'm gonna put 4 of this, maybe 1 here, there, and 2 there in that pot. So that is the plan. So guys, thank you very much for watching with my my stress relieving work. So guys, see you next time. Watch out for the update very soon, and see you next time. Bye bye. God bless you all. I'm Lauren. Bye bye.